So my friend, bought me this swing with all the little bits on it, and it doesn't look like it's going to last very long. So yeah, so I thought I'd just quickly get a video before it's all demolished by Miss Rio. But she's really enjoying it. I don't know how much the swing cost or anything because a friend bought it for me. Well, I should say a friend bought it for my parents because it's not for me. I'm not the one sitting on the swing having fun. They are. So yeah, as you can see, Rio is really loving it. And I don't think the toys on the swing are going to last very long. I would fly